Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Kraken Royale. Log into the game, choose Royale mode, and customize your loadout before joining a match. Learn to manage your Kraken meter, use short bursts to dodge, and unleash your special attack at key moments. Focus on positioning with teammates, secure zones to earn points, and adapt strategies based on enemy movement. Practice in casual matches to build confidence and refine your timing. Start with weapons. Learn strengths and weaknesses of each Kraken Royale armament. Aim for short, controlled engagements, switching weapons to counter foes. Use cover and height advantages to control sightlines and land critical hits. Keep an eye on the minimap and track enemy respawns to predict pushes. Communicate with your squad to set ambushes and secure objectives. Regularly review match replays to identify mistakes and improve decision-making and refine playstyle. Master map control by timing rotations and predicting spawn timings to force favorable fights. Use bait and switch tactics to isolate single enemies and create numerical advantages. Manage your cooldowns and conserve your Kraken meter for clutch moments or zone captures. Prioritize objectives over kills when needed to secure victory points. Adapt builds mid-match based on enemy composition and remain flexible in your role. Train consistent mechanics to make smart, split-second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.